Alright, we're just going to start low and work our way up to... There's not much torque that gets applied to these small lug nuts. So, LED indicators here. As you approach what you set, we're at 25 foot-pounds. Twenty-one, 22, 23, 25. And now I'll turn the torque up using these buttons. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. We'll go up to, yes, about 40. 40. We'll bring in closer for this one. The rocking head is kind of nice for when your wrench is about to bang into the body of something. So I'll show here, as I begin to apply pressure, as you get close, the LEDs and the beeping start. They're just touching the 40 mark. Pull it off, go across, do another one, do the same thing, creeping up. When you see the red lights, you've just kissed the desired torque range. It's hard to do this while holding the camera, bear with me. Alright, down here this time. You get the idea. One more on this. Pretty nice. Let me set you back here. And I think the spec is 44 or 45, so I'll go around again. As you do anyways, so it's easy. You can store in the memories different you can store different torques that you use frequently, but I like to take the batteries out. Easy enough. You can see from back there when we've hit the right torque. And there slipped the brake. Doesn't seem like a lot, but tiny 10mm stud, so that's what they're spec'd for. So that gives you kind of an idea about the wrench there. It's easy to use with the little control menu there. Big fan of the LEDs. Beeps and the LEDs let you know what's going on, and you can store and change your units. All that kind of stuff is described in the manual there. There you go.